Hello everyone, I am Dr. Vineet Kaul, Consultant Head and Neck Surgical Oncology at CK Birla Hospital, Gurugram. Today we will talk about thyroid cancers. Now coming first to the thyroid gland itself. So the thyroid gland is a butterfly shaped gland, as you can see here in the center or the midline of your neck. The function of this gland is to produce thyroid hormone, which is important for the metabolic function of your body. Now, how does thyroid cancer arise in our body? So what happens is there are some genetic changes which takes place at the cellular level. Now these cells get malformed, and these malformed cells slowly through a cascade turn into cancerous cells. So what are the types of thyroid cancers? So there are broadly 4 types of thyroid cancers: papillary thyroid, medullary thyroid cancer, follicular thyroid cancer, and anaplastic thyroid cancer. Now papillary thyroid cancer is a very good prognostic thyroid cancer. It has more than 99% cure rate, and it is also the most commonly diagnosed thyroid cancer. Follicular thyroid cancer also has a good prognosis. And coming to medullary and anaplastic thyroid cancers, these two cancers don't have as good as prognosis as the previous two, follicular and papillary thyroid cancers. Coming to the treatment. So treatment for thyroid cancers is surgery. This may be total thyroidectomy, a total removal of the thyroid gland, or hemithyroidectomy, in which we remove just half of the thyroid gland. And there are few caveats of the surgery which the surgeon has to keep in mind. So these are that preservation of the recurrent laryngeal nerve. This nerve goes to the vocal cords. So if there is any injury to the recurrent laryngeal nerve during surgery, then vocal cord becomes dysfunctional and the voice changes. Other is preservation of the parathyroid gland. Parathyroid gland is an important gland for calcium metabolism in our body and regulation of blood calcium levels. So it is situated very close to the thyroid gland, so it may get removed or injured during thyroid surgery. However, in an experienced center and in the hands of an experienced surgeon, recurrent laryngeal nerve and parathyroid gland removal with thyroid surgery is very rare complication. Other than that, there are few adjuvant treatments which are iodine scan and therapy and radiation therapy. Now iodine therapy or radioiodine therapy is given for papillary and follicular thyroid cancers which concentrate the iodine, and radiation therapy is given in those cancers in which we cannot give other adjuvant therapies. The selection of giving which adjuvant therapy depends on the histopathological report of the cancer. And finally, we can talk about metastatic papillary cancers also. So metastatic papillary cancers is cancer which started from the thyroid gland, but it has spread to other parts of the body like lungs, bones, and other organs. And the good news is papillary metastatic cancer is one cancer which behaves very well to therapy. It does not have very bad prognosis, it in fact has very good prognosis, and in more than 95% cases it is completely curable. Hope you all liked the video. Please leave any queries or suggestions in the comment section below. Let's fight cancer together.